Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am here with Empties, showing you everything that I used up recently for hair, skin, makeup, body, a little bit of something for everybody in here, and mini reviews. I'll talk about every single product and why I liked it or didn't like it. And as always, if you enjoyed this type of video, be sure to subscribe. I will have a tutorial for this link down below. I did a full face of some new stuff from Glossier and some older stuff, so that will be linked down below, but let's go ahead and get started. Let's kick it off with some bath stuff. You know I've become such a bath junkie over the past year, 2 years of being inside. I'm gonna do something. So baths it is. So I've really taken to this brand, which is like classic bubble bath brand, Dr. Teal's Foaming Bath. I've actually since repurchased this. This is the foaming bath with pure Epsom salt, soothe and sleep with lavender. I've been taking a later night bath and soothing myself into bed. I've been having a little bit of trouble sleeping, so I'm really trying to create a routine. So yeah, I picked this up, and then I also got the actual soak that goes with it too. So I've repurchased both of these, and then I also bought this more recently because I don't always use the sleeping one. I like to, a lot of the time you'll see me use the Dove Mango, but I figured I would try something different. I love orange scented things, and this is the Glow and Radiance Vitamin C with citrus essential oils, and this was really disappointing to me because of the scent. The lavender one, my whole bathroom smells like lavender. I have the eucalyptus salt, it smells like eucalyptus. The Dove body wash smells like mangoes. This was kind of just bubbles, and I'm not really using it for its brightening properties. I'm using it for like the scent and the feeling. It's really more of an experience that I'm looking for from a bubble bath, and this didn't really give it to me. So that one was a bit of a dud. And then where's the other thing? Oh, the last bath thing that I use, this is from the brand Calyx, I believe. They make CBD products, and this is the Lullaby CBD Bath Bloom, which is essentially a bath bomb, and this is lavender and chamomile, 100 milligrams of hemp extracted CBD, and I did use this a little while ago. It has coconut oil in there too, some chamomile and things like that, hibiscus, really beautiful. I think I took a picture of it. I'll post it. It smelled really good. I will say that when I used this, it was really nice. I felt super relaxed and had a good sleep. It could be, I feel like it's all part of a combination, but definitely I think I will look into trying some more of these for nighttime baths. I didn't feel like loopy or anything by any means. I just felt relaxed and ready for bed. So it could have been a bath, could have been a little bit of this, a little bit of the lavender soak, but yeah, all really great parts of my bath. After the bath, one of my favorite moisturizers to recommend to anybody, age, gender, requirements, whatever it is. This is such a good one unless you're like allergic to ceramides. This is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for normal to dry skin. This can be used both on your body and your face. That's why I say it's so versatile. It's fragrance-free, developed with dermatologists. Like I said, it's got ceramides in there which are so good for your skin. Non-comedogenic, non-irritating. And I'm telling you, this on damp skin is so nice. Am I whistling a little bit? Really good. And then for your feet, especially in the summer, but whenever, all year round, I use this. This is probably my favorite foot cream. It's from Cake. They're a Canadian brand, cruelty-free, sold here at Shoppers Drug Mart. And this is the Cake Cakewalk Minty Buttered Oil Intensely Conditioning, totally to die for, rich and reviving foot pretty cream. I didn't need to read all of it, but I just think it's funny that it has such a big name. But this truly, it's a pedicure in a bottle. Like, I don't want to say like, oh, but it kind of is. Like, it doesn't paint your toes for you, but it does leave your feet looking and feeling really good. If you have any roughness or dryness, whether you want to put this on after a bath, you can put it on. I normally put it on before I get into bed because it's quite thick and minty. Really good. I've got to repurchase that. And then another Canadian brand, Marc Anthony. You know how much I love their curl products. They've since rebranded a lot of their stuff, and I don't think this is the new packaging. So if you're in the market for it, Shoppers, Walmart, they're very readily available, very affordable. And this is a great curl cream. It is the, it has humidity shield. It's the Curl Envy Perfect Curl Cream. Controls and defines coarse, frizzy hair while adding moisture for soft, natural, frizz-free curls without shine. So really like this. It's kind of got like, I would say it's more of a gel cream texture. So if you have a similar textured hair to mine, that's a really great one. I'm like a 3A, 3B. Then for leave-in conditioner, really love this for second day curls, or I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun or something like that because it's a spray. Generally, I like something a little bit heavier for a first day wash like today, and then as I continue to wear my curls, I will refresh them day to day with a little bit of water and generally a spray leave-in, and I really loved this. This is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. No sulfates, silicones, or parabens. It felt lightweight but very hydrating. I love the spray. There we go, a little bit left. Back of my head is always the driest. Oh yeah, Samantha. Come on. I didn't make it even. Now you gotta, don't give up on me now. Only one half is moisturized. But yeah, I really love the spray on this. I really love how light the mist is, and I think even if you don't have curly hair, if you just have wavy hair, if you have like really thin hair, you probably don't need a leave-in. But if you do like a leave-in and you want something a little bit lighter, this could be a great leave-in for you day to day, just because of the product is hydrating, but the way it gets distributed into the hair is super, super light. Because some days when I wanted a little bit more, I'd take the lid off and dump that into my hands, because my rules. Finished up a Bioderma Classic Micellar Water. I generally use a micellar water in the morning, and I'll generally pick one and stick with it for a while so I can run through it a little bit faster than some of my other products that I like to experiment with more. But Bioderma is a classic. This is the makeup removing micelle solution for sensitive skin. They've got a virgin and a blue bottle that's more suitable for oilier skin types as well. Love both of them. Such a great, simple product. There are a ton of micellar waters on the market right now, so a little bit spoiled for choice. For a while there, this was the only thing around, and that's why it became a cult favorite. And it became a cult favorite for a reason, so it still is, still holds up. 2 Estee Lauder items in here. I finished up one of these masks. I love these masks. These are the Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Power Foil Mask. So this is the one that you'll see. It looks like a typical sheet mask, but then the power foil goes on top of it, which is gold. This is very luxurious. It's a high-end item. This is like, you know, not the kind of sheet mask that I'm going to be using all the time, but it's very, very special and beautiful. And I encourage you, if you do have this at home, do it tonight. Like I always say, I'm going to save it for a special occasion. You know what I mean? Then I also finished up the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Supercharged Complex for eyes. This is their eye cream, beautiful texture. If you're familiar with their Night Repair serum, the texture is similar but like a little bit thicker, really beautiful, but not actually thick, because the serum is almost more like a viscous watery. This is just a little bit thicker as it's an eye cream, but great for day, great for night, and I love all of Estee Lauder's eye creams. Then to drugstore skincare, I love me some Neutrogena. This is the Bright Boost Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. I think I used like, oh, that's funny. I was like, is this brand new? It still has like the little seal on it. It must have just gone to the top, but no. It's empty. This is their, like I said, Overnight Recovery Gel Cream from the Bright Boost collection. You may have seen a sponsored post about this a little while back. I've been using this ever since it launched, and I really, really love it. If you have, I mean, no matter your skin type, I think you'd like this, but especially if you have an oilier skin type, and you're looking for brightening and exfoliation and some hydration and something that is in a gel cream format, this is so good because it's going to feel really, really, really lightweight on the skin. It's not going to get your pillows messy or anything like that. But if you do have a drier skin type, you'd still really, really like this. I just specifically pointed out to my oily skin pals because a lot of the time overnight stuff too is really focused on primarily hydration. They can be a little thicker, a little bit richer, but that one has a great gel cream texture we know and love from Neutrogena, and it is built for overnight, so super exciting. Then I finished up the ORS Olive Oil Edge Control Hair Gel. I've been using this for years. The first time I ever bought this was from Target when it was in Canada. RIP Target Canada. And I think I bought it because it was on sale, and then I really liked how it looked for ponytails and buns and things like that. This is actually, it's super old, so it's completely liquefied now, but I'm gonna toss it just because I've had it forever and it will last you years. Like I've since Repurchase, I've had 3 of them now since, when did Target close in Newfoundland? 2014? 2015? So this is probably I'm on to my 3rd by now. And I almost never finish it because it does get kind of gunky at the end. But really, really great. Sometimes I'll actually put that on my hands just a little bit, warm it up in my hands, even with a smidgen of water, if you don't want to go for the super slicked back look. Because I'm never going for anything super perfected, because I couldn't even if I wanted to. Then I used up Dove Advanced Care deodorant. I like buying these. They feel good on my skin and they have tons of different scents. So that's why I'm always reaching for it. I believe this one is pomegranate. It has a pomegranate on it, but it's really in the scent Revive. But it's got pomegranate. I was gonna say it's pomegranate vibes. It doesn't smell like, you know, anything offensive. Then I used up a Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, my favorite brow product of all time. I've used a bajillion of them. If you have thicker brows, if you're looking for the kind of laminated look, something fluffier, and you're not into the typical brush that comes on a brow brush. Oh, this is like almost, this is so old and gooky. But this has a different brush on it. I mean, you've seen me use it 400,000 times, but there's something about that brush, in addition to the formula. It's just killer. Great high-end mascara. I don't always recommend a lot of high-end mascaras because there's so many great ones from the drugstore, but this is definitely like I probably have 5 high-end mascaras I really, really love, and the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is definitely up there. High quality, tons of volume, tons of length. Great as well if you have sensitivities around your eyes or in your skin and you tend to gravitate towards brands like IT Cosmetics. They actually make a freaking fabulous mascara, like so black, tons of length, tons of volume. So good. And then I finished up the Smashbox, I don't know if this still exists. This is a collection they came out with a little while ago, like probably years now. The Mindful, this is their Nourishing Lip Oil. This was something that I kept on my desk. Cannabis sativa seed oil, chamomile, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, apricot oil. I found it to be too oily. It's the kind of thing that I kept on my desk and I was like, I'm going to use it up, not I'm going to use it. Does that make sense? Because I just didn't love it. It's not that I didn't like it. It was fine. It just had that feeling of like a lip oil, but it just kind of sat on my lips. It didn't feel like it actually hydrated them at all. It didn't wear off super quickly or have like a thin texture, but just wasn't my favorite product from them. So that's everything that I used up recently. Be sure to let me know down below what you have used up, and as always, if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!